Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Time to bring in some more firewood. I got right there. I'm going to bring it into the house. The stuff I brought in already, I burned most of it. Yesterday, we finally turned on the furnace, November 11th. So, yeah, it's getting kind of cold. Today was like a high of 41. And she's a little chilly out here, so time to bring in some more wood. And I got new spark plugs for the ATV, so I'll install that. And then I have new saw blades for my little chainsaw. I'll have that too. I'll show you how I do that too. So right now is a good time to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to announce the people that subscribed to my channel recently. I want to give them a shout out to John K. Wolf, Tracy Overeem, if I'm saying that right, sorry, and then FUQWAN Robinson. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, and the people that want to subscribe and your name appears, I will give you a shout out. I appreciate everybody watching. Let's continue with the video. Gotta get my gloves on. And this wood, if you saw my video, I don't know, a few months ago, I got this wood from a pallet place, and I filled up my trailer for 10 bucks. This stuff burns really good. It's nice and dry. We haven't gotten any snow yet. I'm not complaining. I say maybe next weekend, but that's a long ways out. You know, we've been living in this house for 30 years now, and every year we have a bonfire, or, you know, fires in the fireplace, and I don't even know how many tons or cords of wood, firewood, that I burned each year. I'm almost guessing I burn at least 1 or 2 cords of wood every year. It's just insane, but hey, keeps the bills down. Okay, that should do it with the firewood tonight. I'll have to get some more with the ATV and stack it there. Okay, next thing to go on my list is to put this light back on the ATV. I had it on there last year and it worked out great whenever I had to do the snow. So I know I had a little bit. Well, the light went out now. There we go. Oh boy. There we go. So, time to put, there we go, we got one dead on it, that's why. I don't think I had to put a rubber spacer on this light. Alright, we're coming back. I'm going to shut you guys off. I need a light. I'm going to put new batteries in that. Hang tight. Okay, I'm back. And I did have to put a rubber spacer on there this time too. So this light is really powerful, as you will see in a minute. That headlamp, I didn't realize it, but it's a rechargeable one, which is nice. So got it recharging. because this other one that I have is battery operated, so no big deal. I got enough lights around that I can work something. All right, so that's nice and tight. It's gonna rattle a little bit, but that's okay. So now I'll take that light away. And show you the real light. There you go. See how bright that is? All ready, just about ready for the big snow whenever that happens. Okay, I'll turn it off. Sure, I'll turn it off. Oh, there we go. All right. Another thing off my list. All right, today's a new day. I'm going to put a new spark plug in the ATV. If you didn't see my last video, I had problems with ATV and I put a different spark plug, an older one in, and I got it started to get it in the garage. So now I bought a 4-pack. Not saying that I need all 4 of them, but it's a better deal to do that. So yeah, it's nice that, you know, to get a cheaper 4-pack. I think it was like 20 bucks. Otherwise, if you get a single one, it's like 7 bucks. So let's get started by removing. Well, first of all, I can take this. We got to take this plastic shroud off. And like I said, if you watched my last video, I got that spark plug out. So this is pretty easy peasy, you know, nothing too complicated on this, but you know, it's middle of November now, and they're talking maybe a snow. I don't know if it's going to really affect us really with the snow, but it's like 40 degrees today, and you can kind of see it's kind of a crappy day. We had rain last night, and now it's just the remnants of the storm that came through. So, you know, it's a matter of time. We're going to get some snow, so let's get prepared for it. And so we're not caught off guard, because I know I can't shovel a ton of snow anymore by hand, not like I used to. So let's take this guard off, this plastic shroud, whatever you want to call it. Take this final screw out. I gotta move you a little bit here. Take those out. I'll put them over here. Again, gotta remove, well, you know, I don't want to remove that tank just because without a cap on it. So, all right, remove the spark plug wire. That's right here. Trying to get you to see it, but it might not be in the right position. So it's a 18 millimeter. Just get down in there, just like that. not like working on cars nowadays where you have to remove 100 items just to get to the spark plugs. That's why working on those cars in the 70s was just so much easier. I get technology has to change, but so all right, as you can see, it's pretty carboned up. This was an old spark plug. All right, let's get a new one out. And it's, the size of it is DR8EA. DR8EA. Nice and brand new and shiny. Let's put it in the head of the motor. All right, it's finger tight. Now let's put a little wrench on it. All right, that's good. Now let's not forget to put the spark plug wire on. It's nice and tight. All right, let's fire it up. I gotta check the gas, turn the key on, should fire right up. Give it a couple pokes, just like that. Perfect. And that's what it needed. New spark plug. Idles down real nice. Okay. So I gotta cut. Alright, I fixed it. Put the cover on. Put the seat on. All set. All I got to do is put the blade back on, and we'll be all set for what comes our way this winter. Got my blade all hooked up, all ready to go. All set for whatever Mother Nature unleashes on us. Now watch, it won't snow. All right, time to change the blade on my little Milwaukee chainsaw. I got this over a year ago, and this is the first time I have to change the blade. So it's a number 13 nut on there. It also comes with a wrench, but I just want to use my socket. Remove the cover, clean out all the waste that's in there, and remove the chain. Now I could probably sharpen this, but I got some new ones. Like I said, I can sharpen that at another time. Now it's probably a good time to check everything and make sure nothing is wrecked. As you can see, the bar is like, looks like it's brand new. There's like no marks on it or anything like that, so, which is a good thing, except a little scuff marks there, but hey. But the tracking mechanism looks good. See the cover, a little dirty. We'll just clean that up. You know what I should do is I should hit that with some brake cleaner. Alright, let's open up the new chainsaw chain. It's not really a blade, it's a chainsaw chain, right? Alright, sorry about that. For the interruption, I had a phone call coming in, so I had to pause the video. So, got a new chain. So, it tells you, as soon as I get it undone here, there we go, it'll tell you how to put it in. So you want the teeth, let me see now, let me turn it around so I know that I'm looking at everything good. The teeth, yep, so this is the way you want it to go, just like this. So let's put the bar on. Let's put the chain on. Put the chain on the bar first. There we go. Just had to look at it and then it went in there. Gonna tighten it up a little bit. Let's see if we did a good job. Snug. Put the battery back in. We're good to go. Let's go try it out on some wood. So this piece of firewood is a little too big for our fireplace. What better than to try this out? Just like that. Good to go. All right. Got the oil reservoir all filled up for the next time I want to use the chainsaw. Put the cover on it so nobody gets hurt. There we go. And that should do it. I don't know how long this video is, but I think I'll stop right now. Appreciate everybody watching. Again, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll have another video coming out real soon. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.